Hello guys, how are you today? So today I'm sick. Well, I have been sick for a while now, and I have temperature and coughing very violently, I have to say. And one of the things that I went to do today actually was to get antibiotics because I'm not getting better. But one of the things that I wanted to take, it was to have some syrup to help my cough. And the syrup has sugar, and or it has adol, maltitol and sorbitol and whatever tols they want to put, and I don't want to have that in my system. So I decided to go for an old recipe of syrup, which is carrot syrup, and it's just very simple. You just cut the carrots like this, and then you just add sugar in layers. So I'm finishing my last layer, and you can do brown sugar, you can do white sugar, you can do whatever sugar you want. I chose to do organic coconut sugar, and I'm going to try to do it for the first time. You can do some honey as well, which I am going to do. I'm going to add manuka honey, and just so I have this New Zealand manuka honey, and I really like it. And I'm just going to put a spoon. It's nearly finishing because I've been using with a lot of my lemon tea as well. So I'm just going to put this dash over here, and I'm going to cover everything with the organic coconut sugar. And I'm just going to put live, so I'm not going to show you the syrup because I'm filming directly now on YouTube, and I'm just going to show you how to do this. So you just leave it for 2 hours, and then you start to have the syrup that is going to come out, which is the juice from the carrots. The carrot will become dehydrated, so all the sugar goes to all the sugar of the carrot, or the syrup of the carrot will go out, would leave the carrot, and it will be like a liquid, very nice. And then you can do two things, which is eat the carrot, and you can drink the juice or the syrup. Let me know below. Let me know what is your experience, if you want to do it, or have you ever done it, or your mother did the syrup for you, and how it worked. And I will let you know if I'm improving or not. Thank you.